Hi, I'm Doug Carroll. Welcome to Capital Markets Roadmap. What we intend to do today is give you a brief but broad introduction to the capital markets, who are the primary participants, issuers, investors, intermediaries, what they trade there, and both the applications to which market participants make use of the instruments, as well as give you a sense of the role that the capital markets play in the operation of the economic system as well as the financial system.
This is a brief yet deep dive into the global capital markets. This course covers 21 lectures with 4 sections: capital markets overview, fixed income markets, equity markets, currency and derivative markets. In this course, you'll learn who are the players and participants in the capital markets. You'll learn about the types of instruments used and traded. You'll learn about the capital markets and the role they play in the economic and financial system. Doug Carroll nails this course and really provides you the knowledge and insights you need in a very brief and focused manner.